A little look at some of the metals that may be making news in 2023. It's looking as if we may see some action in the copper and, more important, nickel space. We have a number of WA billionaires at the moment flexing their muscles. We, of course, have had Gina Reinhardt looking at buying a Warrego Energy this morning, just outbid by Strike Energy there and Kerry Stokes. And we have news this morning that Andrew Forrest, his private company Wyloo, has bought into Mincor, upping to a nearly 20% stake on the recent $60 million capital raise of $1.39. Of course, BHP very much involved at the moment in base metals and strategic metals with that acquisition of Oz Minerals, $28.25 being the bid. Of course, they're still doing due diligence, and that 4-week period is set to expire. But certainly expect 2023 to provide more action in the nickel space. BHP, Mincor very much in their IGO as well.